I am Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. Recently, I made an acquaintance who said she knew of me and when she was in an accident wanted to bring her car to us for repair. Her insurance company said that we were not one of their preferred shops and that they would not guarantee the repair. Let me be clear. Insurance companies do not and cannot guarantee repairs. They cannot be taken to court or be sued for bad repairs. They rarely see your vehicle before, during, or after the repairs. It is their job to pay for the claim. Now, when it comes to a good repair, that is the job of the collision center, to do a good repair and guarantee their work. At Runway Auto, we guarantee our work for as long as you own your car. The vehicle owner always gets to pick their repair shop. It doesn't matter which insurance company is paying for the claim. Insurance companies like their preferred shops because the administration or paperwork is going to be handled by the shop, not the insurance company. It has nothing to do with the shop's qualifications or certifications to do any kind of repair on any vehicle. The same way you should know and trust your insurance agent, you should know and trust your body shop. At Runway Auto, we take care of you and your car after an accident. When you drop your car off for repairs at Runway Auto, we arrange your enterprise rental to meet you here. You take off in the rental, go about your business. We keep you informed, and when we are finished with the repairs, you come to pick up your repaired vehicle.